Bullish ETH value expectation is $1,803.19 to $2,103.33. Ethereum cost could likewise reach $2,000 soon. Bearish ETH cost expectation for 2023 is $1,080.87. In Ethereum cost forecast 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ETH to examine the future development of the digital currency. What is Ethereum? Ethereum, known as Ether, is the local cryptographic money of Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain stage that upset the blockchain and DeFi area by the presentation of brilliant agreements. This second-age blockchain was sent off in 2015. Its local crypto coin, Ether, was sent off through an underlying coin offering in August 2014. The whole Ethereum network is powered by Ether. The outline of the Ethereum network was first delivered in quite a while white paper in 2013 by Ethereum Prime supporter Vitalik Buterin. Since its send-off, the blockchain-based programming stage capabilities as an expected platform for a few other crypto tokens, DeFi conventions, and various decentralized applications. Consequently, Ethereum is viewed as the world PC. The savvy contracts are coded programs that execute independently with pre-characterized conditions on Ethereum. These shrewd agreements are sent and executed by means of the Ethereum Candy machine. Ethereum will change to the evidence of stake agreement through the consolidation redesign. From 2020, the Ethereum designers have started planning for the POW to POS change. The union overhaul is set for September 15. After this change, the Ether, which was an inflationary symbolic, will change over into a deflationary token. Ethereum value forecast 2023. Ethereum stands firm on the second foothold on CoinGecko at the present time. ETH cost forecast 2023 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time span. The above diagram of Ethereum spread out a diving channel design. Diving channel, otherwise called the falling channel. A diving channel is shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the trade of a negative market. Right now, Ethereum is in the scope of $1,541.72. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of ETH could arrive at the opposition levels of $1,494.45, $1,725.14, and $2,025.54. On the off chance that the pattern inverts, the cost of ETH might tumble to $1,228.42 and $1,082.38. Ethereum backing and opposition levels. The graph beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Ethereum. From the above everyday time period, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Ethereum. The diagrams show that Ethereum has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, ETH could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $2,103.33 as needs be. On the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Ethereum could dive to nearly $1,080.87, a negative sign. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of ETH lies over the end line. Areas of strength for demonstrating in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Ethereum is displayed in the graph above. Eminently, Ethereum cost lies over 50 mama, so it is in an upswing. As of now, ETH has entered a negative state. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of ETH whenever. In the meantime, the general strength file of the ETH is 86.67. This implies that Ethereum is in an overbought state. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of ETH might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Ethereum value expectation 2023. ADX, RVI. Let us currently take a gander at the typical directional file of Ethereum. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Ethereum. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of ETH lies over 50, showing high instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Ethereum is at 86.67, consequently affirming a potential purchase signal. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value activity of ETH is like BTC. This shows that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH additionally increments or diminishes separately. Ethereum value expectation 2024 to 2030. Various variables are considered while estimating costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparative coins. we should anticipate the cost of Ethereum somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Ethereum value expectation 2024. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Ethereum could most likely achieve $2,500 by 2024. Ethereum value expectation 2025. With a few redesigns in the organization, Ethereum could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ETH could energize to hit $3,200 by 2025. Ethereum value expectation 2026. If Ethereum supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, ETH would energize to hit $3,900. Ethereum value expectation 2027. If Ethereum supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, ETH would energize to hit $4,500. Ethereum value expectation 2028. If Ethereum supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, ETH would mobilize to hit $5,300. Ethereum value expectation 2029. Ethereum holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, ETH would hit $6,500 in 2029. Ethereum value expectation 2030. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Ethereum, it would observe significant spikes. And, with ceaseless improvements in the Ethereum organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for ETH. Hence, the bullish value expectation of Ethereum in 2023 is $2,103.33. Then again, the negative value expectation of Ethereum for 2023 is $1,080.87. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the Ethereum biological system, the exhibition of ETH would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $4,878.26 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $2,000 in the event that the financial backers accept that ETH is a wise interest in 2023. 1. What is Ethereum? Ethereum, or Ether, is the local cryptographic money of Ethereum. Ethereum is a second-age blockchain stage that sent off in 2015. Ether was sent off in 2014. Ethereum has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Kraken, Bitfinex, and Bitstamp. 3. Will Ethereum come to another ETH soon? With the continuous turns of events and the union overhaul in the Ethereum organization, Ethereum has a high chance of arriving at its ETH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Ethereum? On November 10, 2021, Ethereum arrived at its new all-time high of $4,878.26. 5. Is Ethereum a wise interest in 2023? Ethereum is by all accounts one of the top acquiring cryptographic forms of money this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Ethereum in the beyond